was like watching Forrest Gump, man. I just didn't want it to end. You know what I'm saying? I did not want it to end. I mean, man, I'm just completely blown away.
Yeah, this is going to cause a little bit of controversy. What is going on, everyone? I'm Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man. Ty Smith, not Todd. If it's your first time visiting my channel, let me say welcome. Let me also say thank you for checking me out. But if you plan on subscribing to my channel, do yourself a favor and me. Don't do it just yet. Get an idea of who I am, what I'm about, what my beliefs are before you subscribe to me, if you would, please, okay? I really appreciate it if you did it that way. And how do you do that? Go to my channel, click on the words playlist. When you click on playlist, it's going to bring up a bunch of different video topics. You're going to see a variety of things. Church/God topics, home entertainment videos, marriage, relationship, advice videos, advice to subscribers, fitness, health, comedy. There's a lot of things on there, all right? I want you to do that to get an idea of who I am and what this channel is about before subscribing, if you would, please. And also, if you want to support me in what I do, you can purchase a t-shirt. The link is down there in the description. If you want to donate to the cause and all that and different things that I do, you will see that you can also donate to my Patreon channel, or you can donate to PayPal directly. We're doing great things here. Let's go ahead and go into this next video. What's going on, folks? So this next song that I'm getting ready to do right here is requested by Mark Wessel, and he wants me to do Rival Sons. Jordan. I'm gonna try this from a different angle. See how I like this. I'm gonna try it like from right here. Here we go. Let's see what this is about.
The wolves look to the moon, and the ocean to the sky. I've looked to you my whole life. Now I have to say goodbye. But to say that I've lost you is a selfish thing to say. I've never seen nothing as beautiful as watching you slip away. See you go in the arms of your angels than to stay right here with me. I'll meet you on the other side of the Jordan. Now let your soul go free. Did it all with feeling and failure. You took it gracefully. You said that start of the ride straight on till morning. When you need me, you know that's where I'll be. Now the rest of my life without you, right now it's hard to conceive. You said, don't cry for me now. You've got to remember, there is no death for those that believe. I'd rather see you go in the arms of your angels than to keep you right here with me. Meet you on the other side of the Jordan. Now let your soul go free. Let your soul go free. Of the Jordan, now let your soul be free. Rather see you go in the arms of your angels than to keep you right here with me. On the other side of the Jordan.
Man, that's a really, really, really nice song. It has such like a spiritual feel behind it, if y'all know what I mean. I mean, this was nicely written right here. I love this. Love the lyrics to it. It's such a song of, it came with such a, you know, like a glad that you're going to be off better, but hate that you have to leave me type deal. When I'm saying that, guys, I'm talking about death. Or like, you know, a person is going off to a better place, whatever, but you know that they're going to be free. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. That's what I get from that. That's pretty cool though. And then yet at the same time, the beginning that the doom doom. I swear I thought that was that song that I did with Joe Cocker, something, some little help from my friend. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Share something. Y'all know what I'm talking about because I was really digging that song, but y'all said it was a Beatles song. I don't know if it's called Have a Little Help from My Friends, With a Little Help from My Friends, whatever that is. When this first came on, I'm like, this is the song. Y'all, some of y'all gonna be like, oh yeah, we knew that already, but then some of you guys might be like, oh yeah, I never thought about that. That does sound like With Help from My Friends. I'm Joe Cocker or whoever, and the Beatles. You guys told me it was a Beatles song. So anyway, Mark, that was a really, really good song. That is definitely going on my playlist right there. Another one going on my playlist for the thinking section, man. I don't know. I just like the way this
is. Like I said, it gives the melody and the music itself gives you a sense of, like I said, you sad that something or someone is about to leave you, but you know that it's going to be for the best. You know that they're going to be happier doing it, but it's still just cutting those ties is going to hurt. I don't know. That's what I'm getting from the melody, people. If y'all get it, told you music can speak to you in different ways. That's why when you guys ask me what's my favorite artist to listen to, I said I don't really have an artist, but I listen to a lot of instrumentals, because instrumentals can speak a lot of volumes, more so sometimes than what lyrics can. So anyway, that's what the melody does for me in this. So Mark Wessel, you said this will be the second time you seeing them, but the first time with them headlining in the concert. And you said you would update how they were. You went to go see them 5 days ago. He went to go see them on the 2nd, going to see Revival Sons on the 2nd in Seattle. Mark, if you're going to be here in this chat during this premiere or something like that, maybe after this video, because I know you're not going to be able to write everything in this live chat, but maybe after this video, put it in the comment section so people can read upon the person that requested it and also the person that just came from their concert, which was May the 2nd in Seattle. Besides that, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below after this video. I'm Ty Smith, a modern Renaissance man, hoping and praying that every last one of you guys have food, shelter, and clothing. And most of all, I hope and pray every last one of you guys are in great health. God bless you all in Jesus' name.